This is Cinematic Workflow, an all-in-one AI creative studio for video, images, and lip sync. Here you can see the Create Video tab with the Cinematic Prompt Builder, Character and Setting, Visual Style, Camera Rules, and Timestamped Scenes. Opening Settings to configure your API keys. FAL.ai for Kling and Minimax, Key AI for Seedance, Gemini, and OpenAI for image generation. Back on the main screen. Let's check out the camera presets on the right. 43 presets across 5 categories. Movement presets like dolly in, tracking shot, and crane. Scrolling through to angles, bird's eye, worm's eye, over the shoulder. Effects category. Vertigo dolly zoom, slow motion, hyperlapse, bullet time, rack focus, and extreme macro zoom. UGC Ad Templates. 6 ready-made formats. Product demo, testimonial, before and after, hook story CTA, unboxing, and lifestyle. Scrolling across the nav bar. 9 tabs giving you access to every tool in the suite. Now let's look at the model selector. 9 video models. Seedance 2.0, Seedance Fast, Kling 3.0 Pro, Kling 2.5 Turbo, Minimax High Luo, WAN 2.6, PixVerse V6, LTX2 Pro with 4K, and Hunyuan video. Scrolling through the full prompt builder. Visual style, camera rules, timestamped scenes, negative prompt, and the generate audio toggle. Below that, duration selector from 4 to 15 seconds. Aspect ratio options, resolution picker, and the API key selector. You can see the Generate button with estimated credit cost, plus a Queue button for batch processing. And here are the remaining models, PixVerse V6 tagged as cheap, LTX2 Pro with 4K support, and Hunyuan video. Over to Edit Video. Kling 01 Video Edit and Kling 3.0 Omni Edit. Upload a source video and add up to 14 reference images to guide the transformation. Edit Video also has a model drop-down showing your options. Motion Control tab. Upload a motion reference video and a character image. Set your quality, scene control mode, and background type. The Image tab. 3 providers, Gemini, Dolly 3, and Flux Pro. Type your prompt, pick a resolution, and hit Generate. Image Tools tab. 7 AI utilities. Background Remover is free. For Upscaler, Creative Upscale, Face Swap, Ghibli Style, Object Eraser, and Product Shot. Scrolling down to see all 7 tools with their costs. Most are just a few cents per image. LipSync tab. LatentSync selected at 20 cents per request. Upload your video, add your audio file, and hit Generate. Opening the model drop-down. 9 LipSync models. MuseTalk is free. Sync LipSync 2.0, Sync Pro, Kling LipSync, and VEED LipSync. Switch to MuseTalk, which is completely free. The preset sidebar is available on every tab. History tab tracks all your generations. Search and filter through past results. Timeline tab. Arrange your clips into a sequence with transitions and export settings. Compare mode. Side-by-side comparison. Pick two different models, Kling 2.5 Turbo versus Kling 3.0 Pro, enter your prompt, and generate both at once. Type your prompt and hit generate both. Same prompt, different models, so you can see exactly which one gives better results. That cinematic workflow. 9 video models, 9 lip-sync models, 7 image tools, 43 camera presets. 1 app, no subscriptions. Available now in the community.